Hey everybody, Brian at Custom Classics here today, looking at a 1969 Ferrari 365 GT. Car came in from Virginia from one of our good customers to be repainted. Overall, when you take a quick look at it, the car looks good at a distance, but as you get up upon it and start really looking at it, the paint is starting to check throughout. The nose is starting to bubble and flake, and there's some other bubbling around the car. So customer wants to know if this is original color or not, so we'll dive in and look into that. We have a hint that it might have originally been a blue car. If that's the case, he wants it to go back to its original color. So this will be a basic strip straighten and a repaint for us. We'll get all the chrome and all the trim pulled off of it, and then get the car stripped down when it's together. And then once it's all stripped down, they'll do the repairs to any of the panels on the thing. And then after that, they'll pull the doors, the hood, and the rear hatch off of it. And then we'll paint it apart. So it'll get painted as a shell, which will be the fenders, the roof, and the quarters. And then the doors and the hood and the deck lid will get done in another booth. We have 3 booths. 2 of the booths are baking booths. They're blow therms, so they'll be running between 2 booths while they're painting everything all at once. So that's how that'll go. That way we don't, when we do it, there won't be any dry jams or no dry edges on here, similar to what I see was done here on this one. So you won't see any of that when we get done with it. So that's pretty much it. We'll see how this one goes. We'll keep you guys in tune and show you pictures along the way, and possibly even a little bit of video. And then at the end, we'll show you this thing in its glory when it's done, and even take it for a quick ride. Thank you.